Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shakhi Dhar, first year resident, Department of Anesthesiology from Agartala Government Medical College. I did my undergraduate from this college only. So let's get started. This is my senior, Dr. Ananya.
Okay, thanks for the lovely introduction. So, this is the welcome to the final and 10th episode of Affogato with Ananya. And now you know I will be interviewing Dr. Sati to know about her department of anesthesiology in AGMC. So, Sati, tell me that how has been your journey so far?
So far it's like little bit hectic and obviously first year is going to be little bit hectic and yeah, as it is my parents college, it's a little bit easier for me like other than my co-PGTs. It's so far is little bit fine only.
Okay.
You can say.
Okay, so tell me how's the routine of a anesthesia resident is like? How your day starts? नहीं था. Oh my god, okay. Okay, hello.
Our routine OT starts from 9. So we go for OT at 8:45 a.m. So we have to prepare the OT first. And from 9, OT goes till 4:30 or 5. After that, we are having emergency duties. Like one will be posted in ICU, one will be posted in OT. Emergency OTs, lots of emergency OT happens here. Like for gynae, there are ruptured ectopic pregnancy, LSCS, and for surgery we are having that hollow viscous perforation,
Yes.
emergency acute abdominal lump. So in orthopedics also open fracture. This emergency OT every time we are having 7 to 8 minimum emergency OTs will be there. After emergency duty, again our duty starts from next day 9 a.m. to up to 5 a.m. So
5 a.m.
yeah, it's like
So-
36 hours.
So it is 36 hours of shift, which it's not my cup of tea, but these brave hearts, the anesthesia doctors, they
Oh
go
my
through
God.
during the residency. Really commendable. So tell me how many faculties are there in your department?
We are having one HOD. We are having one HOD, 5 associate professors, 2 assistant professors. We are having 5 SRs, 2 medical officers.
How many PG seats are there in your department?
In my department, there are 4 PG seats. 2 are from All India quota and 2 are from state quota.
All right. So tell me, have you faced any form of toxicity in your department?
Actually, there is no. I didn't face any toxicity here. All my seniors are really very good. Actually, we are like kind of female dominating in my branch. So we are maximum. We are female. So we are very much like friendly with each other. My seniors are very supportive. Like they never. Actually, they are very nice.
Yeah. And two of them are my batchmates only.
Yeah.
Who's your favorite senior? सच सच बताना.
वो तो बहुत सारे फिर नाइंसाफी हो जाएगा ना.
हाँ ये भी है.
सब
Controversial हो
फेवरेट है.
जाएगा.
हाँ सब फेवरेट है मेरा.
Okay. ठीक है. How's the academics in your department?
Okay, academics are pretty much good. Actually, we are having weekly 2 seminars and 1 journal club. In every week there is one journal club तो होता ही होता है. और हाँ एक सेमिनार तो मिनिमम. कभी कभी 2 भी हो जाता है. और अगर ज्यादा हेक्टिक है तो वीकली 1 सेमिनार तो मैंडेटरी.
Tell me what you do in your free time.
Okay, in my free time, I love cooking actually. I cook and I love watching movies. So yeah, I have to go for movies. I do gossips with my friends and I cook.
Okay, so what was the last movie you saw?
Is that Lucky Bhaskar na that come in OTT? It was
Okay.
very nice.
Okay. Ananya, focus. Not on the tiramisu, but to the next question. Why anesthesiology?
Okay, it's another story actually. In our UG, don't have that much exposure to anesthesia. So during my internship, I had some exposure that I've seen my seniors they're doing procedures and everything. I like adrenal thrush, so I want to do emergency medicine or something like that. So according to my rank, I didn't get actually. So after that, I was doing junior residency in Tripura Medical College. So during my residency period, I have seen one seniors. Actually, we are in OT, and one senior was patient was in OT. Patient had cardiac arrest, and one senior she was doing like CPR, and he was giving this medicine, that medicine, and like and oh wow, patient survived. And I'm like, that's the one I want actually. This is my cup of tea. So yeah, from that I like, yeah, this is the branch I really need.
Okay. So are you satisfied?
Yeah, I'm very happy with my branch, and every day I'm like, it's blessing for me that I am doing my favorite, I'm doing residency in my favorite subject, and I love this branch.
All right. जब जैकेट और हुडीज का समय आ जाए तो समझ जाओ the winter
Winter
has
is
arrived.
arrived.
So, Sati, tell me how's your rapport with your department people, your seniors and your co-PGs?
Okay, my co-pages all are, we are girls, so we are having acting duties, but apart from this we are having so much chit chats. And our seniors, they are also, as I told already, they are very nice actually.
चलो बढ़िया है. I feel it's really important to have cooperative and friendly co-PGs, especially when you're going through a lot of problems and hardship
Exactly,
during your residency,
exactly.
because they act as a stress buster.
Exactly.
They're like those shock absorbers.
Stress absorber actually.
Yeah.
Every day we are like, पता है आज क्या हुआ.
Yeah, and पढ़ाई वगैरह में या कुछ भी हो, बहुत help मिलती है. That तो I will definitely agree. You must be really happy. It's all
I'm
the
very
girl
happy.
gang in the department.
Yes.
And that's really good to know. So tell me, what are the different kind of postings in anesthesia department?
First of all, I am telling about OTs. We are having OTs like ortho, ENT, surgery, neurosurgery, plastic surgery, neurosurgery, and recently transplant OT also started, kidney transplant. So yeah, we are having like pretty much very much OT duties actually mainly. Apart from this, we are having PEGS duty, which is pre-anesthetic checkup, and we are having ICU duties. We have to actually see the patient preoperatively, intraoperatively, and postoperatively also. Like we are giving epidural anesthesia to a certain patient, so we have to see this patient postoperatively also. See if there is any pain, we have to give epidural top up so that it's painless for the patient. So yeah.
Okay. A lot of the NEET PG aspirants, they messaged me that, ma'am, AGMC का anesthesia कैसा है? So I could not tell because I'm not from anesthesia. So I would like to ask you this question: that what's an important component of anesthesia which should be there in an institute, so that you can tell that whether the department is good or not? What are the basic things that should be there?
This is the main tertiary care hospital in Tripura. So you will find lots and lots of cases. Hands-on भर के है. Like from first year, you will get hands-on on everything. And our professors, they are very much supportive. They will give you every opportunity to do everything. Apart from general anesthesia, spinal anesthesia, epidural anesthesia, we are having ultrasonography in our OT. So we are giving different kinds of blocks like supraclavicular block, interscalene blocks, femoral nerve blocks, ankle blocks. So these things are there. We are having peripheral nerve stimulator also. So yeah, so these are in OT. And in ICU, we are doing actually ICUs also. There are lots of patients. They are moribund patients. We are getting opportunity to do central lines, bedside tracheostomies. Our consultants are doing. So these are actually pretty much opportunity for us to learn such things. And as I told already, our consultants are very much supportive, and they are like, "तुम लोग करो, case करो."
So next question is: have you ever faced any kind of violence during your work?
Actually, violence in the sense we are having security issues in our ICU setup. Patients party make chaos because from their point of view also they lost their near and dear ones.
So have you personally faced any
Yeah, I have.
incident happened with you?
I faced one or two actually.
Okay.
I've seen actually, but my department is also supportive. My consultant was there for us, and they were there for us. Came and rescued us. And actually, it's not. I can't say violence. It's like kind of threats we can get
Threats.
sometimes.
Verbal
yeah,
threats mostly.
verbal threats.
But that has a huge impact on your mental health, because you will be anxious all the time.
Exactly.
Because if someone says anything like threatens me, which has unfortunately happened with me, so I'm not gonna go deep into that, but it really affects you, and
Exactly.
your the whole day it gets, worse. आपका पूरा दिन खराब हो जाता है
हाँ,
सोच
वही
सोच
तो।
के, because then it impacts your productivity
एग्जैक्टली
at
ना,
work.
वी आर डूइंग
Yeah.
एवरीथिंग फॉर द पेशेंट ओनली। मतलब हम उनको भी कुछ बोल नहीं सकते, क्योंकि वो भी एक माइंड सेट में है। तो वही है, सिक्योरिटी इश्यूज थोड़ा काम करना बाकी है अभी।
So Sati, I would like to ask you what one can do after MD anesthesiology in terms of super specialties and fellowships.
You can do super specialization, like for neuro anesthesia is there, pediatric anesthesia is there, transplant anesthesia, cardiac anesthesia. You can do super specialization in pain medicine,
Critical care.
critical care
Yeah.
medicine, and fellowship also. These branches are there for fellowship also. You can do fellowship in pain medicine also, in critical care medicine also. For neuro anesthesia, some colleges are like Nimhans, Jipmar, PGI Chandigarh. These are very good colleges. For cardiac anesthesia, Jaydev Medical College, which is in Bangalore, super specialty hospital. This is very good. For pediatric anesthesia, Indira Gandhi Hospital, which is also in Bangalore. These super specialty hospitals are very good. So you can go for super specialty if you want.
All right. So plethora of choices post MD, and okay. Sati, tell me, do you get opportunity to go outside in forms of conferences and workshop?
Yeah, actually, we are having two kinds of seminars. One is for Department of Anesthesiology, one is for critical care. So, in anesthesiology, we are having one national conference every year. So, our second years used to go, second years will go every year. And yeah, and state conference will be there. And for ICCM, Indian Society of Critical Care Medicine, separately we are having conferences. So, pretty much conferences are there every month. I get to opportunity to present, to attend conferences. Yeah.
All right. So, Sati, what a NEET PG aspirant who is looking forward to take up anesthesia, what they should keep in mind before taking anesthesia? This is the tiramisu, and that's the hot chocolate, and that's Sati. Yay! So,
Thank you, ma'am, for inviting me. Actually, it's very much thankful to you that you invited me. I hope this video is informative. Those who want to join anesthesia, if there is any query, please ask in the comment section. I'll happy to reply. And please like, comment, and share ma'am's channel. Thank you.
Thank you, Sati, for taking out time from your very busy schedule. As a first year resident, I can totally get it. So, please, thanks a lot for being part of this journey. And I would like to thank all the viewers who have supported me in this series of Affogato with Ananya. We have reached to 3.15 subscribers. I would have never imagined that. Lots and lots of thank you who have shared my videos. I was able to produce back-to-back videos for this particular series because I knew during the time when the NEET PG counselings are going on, a lot of doctors were unaware about this particular region in India, especially the Agartala Government Medical College. I hope that I have covered most of the branches, and with very heavy heart, I would like to announce, as a resident doctor, I have so many other responsibilities like studies, thesis work, research work, and other things. So I have to prioritize those things before the content creation. So I would like to announce a temporary halt in producing these videos, but I would be continuing making short videos, which might include psychiatry related videos as well, or any other random thing, because I cannot live without creating videos. Keep supporting me, even if the content has changed, and lots of love.